33 1/3 revolutions per beetle is brought to you tonight by the makers of Aerowax for a shine as hard as nails. New Aerowax with 50% more vinyl plastic, so hard you can't scratch the shine away. New Aerowax for a shine that's hard as nails.
Scratch your kitchen floor with really sharp fingernails and you can scratch off the shine. But not this side. It's protected with new Aerowax for a shine that's hard as nails. Watch again. With a high-priced wax, the shine scratches off. New Aerowax with 50% more vinyl plastic. You just can't scratch the shine. It's hard as nails, so you can wax less often. New Aerowax for a shine that's hard as nails.
Imagine spraying starch on a hot iron, but I'll do it to prove today's Easy on Speed starch is really different. It has the special GE silicone formula that prevents starch buildup. To prove how effective it is, let's spray here using Easy On without GE silicones. Now, let's see the difference. Look, with GE silicones, there's no starch buildup. Yes, Easy On won't build up, scorch, or stick, guaranteed or money back. Try Easy On. It's different.
To on or not to on? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler to continue with what has been, because it wast, or to go with the uncola, because it is't, must give us pause to refresh ourselves. 7-Up, wet, wild, fresh, clean, perchance prettier than a cola. 7-Up, the uncola, sheathes the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune and cushions the 1,000 natural shocks that flesh is heir to quaff, to thirst no more. Alas, poor Cola, I knew him well.
What's a nice girl like you doing in a place like this? Want to get out of that mess quick and easy? Use Easy Off. It has 25% more power cleaner than other leading sprays. This extra power removes the heaviest grease. You just wipe it off. Works best in warm ovens or in cold ovens. Easy Off with 25% more power cleaner. Makes life easy for nice girls like you.
Ever wish a door wouldn't open? I used to, when I had to go in and clean the bathroom bowl. But now it's easy with SaniFlush.
SaniFlush, used as directed, puts 50% more cleaning power in your bathroom bowl, gets rid of the meanest rust stains, disinfects, deodorizes. SaniFlush for 50% more cleaning power than the other leading bowl cleaner.
The job's so fast and easy with 50% more cleaning power.
SaniFlush, powder or liquid.
We're at the top secret high karate training school. These trainees are learning how to defend themselves in case they apply too much high karate after shave or cologne. If someone gives you some high karate, but you don't have time for special training, don't worry. There's a cram course on self-defense in every package. Regular and Oriental Lime. High karate. Be careful how you use it.
In honor of her infinite patience, her courage, her unpredictability, and so much more, Coty has created Elan, our tribute to the American woman.
You'll look better in a sweater washed in Woolite. Woolite washing makes a sweater look alive.
Woolite and cold water safely soak sweaters clean in 3 minutes. No shrinking, no fading. That's why the makers of over 20 million sweaters recommend Woolite.
You'll look better in a sweater washed in Woolite.
Try cold water Woolite and look alive.
Scratch your kitchen floor with really sharp fingernails, and you can scratch off the shine. But not this side. It's protected with new Arrow Wax for a shine that's hard as nails. Watch again. With a high-priced wax, the shine scratches off. New Arrow Wax with 50% more vinyl plastic. You just can't scratch the shine. It's hard as nails, so you can wax less often. New Arrow Wax for a shine that's hard as nails.
Presenting the American Scene.
Let's make the scene, the American scene. It's a groovy scene, the American scene.
And participating American oil painters,
You can win a Camaro SS
the Heider,
or plush Kingswood Estate, the Walk-In Wagon,
front Chevrolet.
or cash.
Every winner's an instant winner.
Every card is a postcard.
Save the stubs. Get this American Scene free.
Come on!
Come on, let's go. You don't need dough to make the scene. The American scene. The American scene.
Next week in this time period, Don Ho stars in a musical tour of Hawaii. See Hawaii Ho.
I'm a wind-up man, programmed to be entertaining. Turn the key. I'm a fully automatic wind-up man, invented by the teeny bopper. Turn me on, and I will sing a song about a wind-up I'm a wind-up man, programmed to be entertaining. Turn me on, and I will sing a song about a wind-up world of people watching television